In this video, I will talk about Autocad text sizes. The standard height of text is 1/8 of an inch on a drawing, so it's 0.125. So on a scale of 1 to 1, you do 1/8 of an inch or 0.125. Now, if you scale your border by 2, or you have a drawing that's 1 to 2, you'd have to take 2 times 0.125, and you'd have a text size of 0.25. And then similarly, if you have 4, you do 4 divided by 8, or 4 times 0.125, and your text size would be 0.5. And, for 8, 1 to 8, it would be 8 divided by 8 equals 8 times 0.125 equals 1. So now let's go to our drawing, and I have 3 drawings which are different sizes. The first one is 1 to 1. Okay, it's the 3 shapes. So over here, I'm just going to create the multi-line text. I'm going to click here. Okay, and pick another corner. And I'm going to type the word circle, but it can't be this big. For this one, it has to be 0.125, and then you hit enter, and you type circle. Okay, and then you have the right size. Now, if it's not in the right location, you can move it. Take a look. This circle matches that. See the shapes. It's the same size. So if I were to move it right beside, so I'll just grab the pick point. I move it right beside the circle here. See, right beside the shapes. These are about the same size. So let's now move it back. So the circle's over here. And I'm going to make a copy of it. This is the way I would do it. I copy it. And I put it under the other drawings. And then I double click. And I hit rectangle. And over here, I would type triangle after I erase it all. Now we'll move on to another drawing here. So on this particular drawing, okay, it's 1 to 4. So over here, when we do our text, so we're going to do the multi-line text. We'll do a box over here. We're going to go 4 divided by 8, which is 0.5. Or we can go 4/8, hit enter, and the computer turns it into the right size. So just remember, whatever your scale is, 4 divided by 8, and you can put it right there into that location. And then you type circle. Okay, circle. And you hit out here, and it does the circle to be the right size, and you can copy or move it like before. Okay, over here it's 8, 1 to 8. So to change the size, you go to the text here, go to the multi-line text, create your text box. Okay, remember it's 8 down on the border. You've scaled that border by 8. So over here, you do 8 divided by 8. You always divide it by 8. Hit enter. It knows it's 1. The AutoCAD does the calculation. You type circle, you type outside, and it's the right size. It matches with the size there. Again, if I were to do 1 to 12, so if I do one bigger, which I don't have here, I do the multi-line text. Over here, I create my text box. I switch this to 12 divided by 8, always divided by 8. I hit enter, and then I can also type circle if I had the right size.